Massive companies lay off, hitting employee hard, leaving thousands of employees jobless and hopeless. This causes employees unable to react and think properly. Impatiently, they start to find a job and apply multiples of job applications over the internet without checking the transparency of the job post. With their concern zone, they apply the job but not sure the job they are applying is genuine or fake. And the recruiter who is calling for the job interview is real or a scammer. Such job seekers set an example or prey to the scammers. Job scam is nothing but increasingly day by day. Hello everyone, I am Shanidhi. Today in this part 3 of job scam, let's discuss how can you protect yourself from the job scam. In my previous video, I have shared the warning sign of the job scam. If you haven't seen, must watch it. So let's start. Whenever you receive any invitation for the job interview or you see any job post, first thing you need to do is protect yourself and remind all the tips which I am going to provide here. Number 1. Research online about the company. Search the company's overall information over the internet by its name. Go through their website, address and real phone numbers. If the company is genuine, plan accordingly. If any doubt arises, you can connect to the company's HR and make a detailed record. Check company's background, their LinkedIn profile and connect to those who is already in connection to that company. If company exists, then people give you a genuine advice. Or if not exist, then walk away, it might be a scam. Sometimes people not understand what to do. In this case, then you can also talk to someone whom you trust. If you are facing any suspicious job activity or any doubt regarding the job, you can share it with anyone whom you trust. Mind me, they know more about it. They will give you a genuine advice. So be careful. Don't share your personal and financial information over the internet. If someone asks you to provide it for the job purpose or for the job payroll purposes, unless you are not selected for the final round, you have to be sure about it in what purpose they are asking. And never pay any kind of registration fee if any scammer asks you. If anyone asks to provide online, sometimes the company asks to provide or register yourself for the job interview, or they provide job services, they provide job guarantee. So please be careful. They are doing the scam. They do not give you any job guarantee. Or sometimes they send you any kind of link or file. So never click or download any suspicious link until you are not fully aware about it. Reject those offer letters which you didn't apply. Sometimes scammers send you a fake joining letter without giving any kind of interview to that company. Please reject it on that spot and block them. They are scammers. They want your information. So be careful. If you face any types of identity theft, you can contact to the bank and request them to freeze your debit and credit card. Or you can say to order a new card. Contact to the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) at reportfraud.ftc.gov. If you have given personal information to the scammer, then also file a report on identity theft with the FTC. Or you can also lodge a complaint to the local police or law enforcement agency after you have filed an identity theft report with the FTC. Update your all the password of your online account transactions and keep them safe. Remember, keep them safe. Don't share your personal email ID and phone numbers everywhere. So be careful and remember all these above points which I have discussed. Hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Be safe.